So today we're looking at 3 different bows with quite different spanning methods. So the one on the right is a 14th century bow. It is spanned using a doublet pulley and a spanning belt. So you wear the belt, you hook the pulley system onto the string, and it's basic pulley physics that you can apply twice the load to the string that you're actually applying on your waist. Have a look at it if on Wikipedia or whatever if you want to investigate that further. But it allows me to draw a 370, 380 pound bow like this one relatively easily. The bow in the middle, it's a later period bow, late 17th, early 18th century. It's spanned using a gaff lever, which is a new invention, it's post-medieval. I'm not a massive fan of gaff levers myself, but this one seems to work very well, and it's relatively easy to load. And the one on the left is, I must confess, my favourite system, which is the goat's foot system. Very typically late 14th, 15th century. It allows you to span bows really of 450 pounds is the most I've done, but I'm sure you could go higher than that. Very quick, very easy to use. So now I'll just show you how the 3 different bows are spanned and shot. So the first bow we're going to discuss here is a spanning belt and a doublet pulley. Now this is a rather inconvenient thing dangling around, especially if you're running, but actually you can, as I just showed you there, just tuck it into your belt. Now the way it's used is you take the bow, the nut this time you set to be in the locked position, and you turn the bow so the string is towards you. That hooks on a small peg here. Get the hooks centered. Now if they're off center the bow won't shoot straight because the string will be on squiff, so you just got to make sure that they're in the center of the stock. You hook your foot in, you push down, pull up, and you're on. Simple as that. So this is around about a 370 pound. Load up and shoot. So the next one, clap lock bow. So again, make sure the lock is set. You hook the gaff lever on the front this time. Again, make sure it's centered. Push down, and we're in. This one has now got a bolt clip, new invention again. Oh. Then the third one, goat's foot bow, my personal favourite. This time it's a string that actually closes the nut and locks the system. So you have to set the nut this time so that it's in the open position. Goat's foot on, pull back and down. And for having fun, these are my favourite. That's it. 3 different basic methods for lightweight bows. If you want to go heavier, then it's onto Cranachwins or windlasses. But for anything up to 400, 450 pounds, these systems work well.